The Littlest Chef. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to The Littlest Chef. My name is Natalie, and in today's video, we are making a very simple steak dinner with boiled plantain and a nice side salad. So the first thing we're gonna do is start off with a nice large piece of steak that has already been cleaned with limes and vinegar. As always, don't forget to clean your meat. And then we're gonna put a little bit of green seasoning, and we're gonna add some olive oil, and then you're gonna go in with your dry seasonings. So here we're gonna add some sea salt, I recently discovered this other seasoning called Sylvia's seasoning, which is a dry rub. So this basically has onion powder, garlic powder, paprika in it. It doesn't have a lot of sodium at all. So I'm just using that today instead of using the onion powder and garlic powder. You know, this is much easier. We're gonna add a little bit more paprika because I like the little bit of a red color that paprika gives to food. And then we're gonna go in with some nice Italian seasonings, and that has like parsley and oregano and all those, you know, basic seasonings. And we're gonna go in with some crushed red pepper. You can also go in with a little bit of cayenne pepper if you have it, but not too much, because remember, everyone does not like spice. So now what you want to do, this is very important. You want to rub all those seasonings into your meat. Ideally, in an ideal world, you would season your meat the day before, let it marinate in the fridge. Okay, but today, we're making an easy weeknight dinner. Okay, so we don't have time to put this in the fridge overnight. We just want a quick steak to get some iron in us because it's cold outside. And yeah, we need that iron. I turned the steak over, and you're gonna do every single thing that you did to the front of the steak to the back of the steak. So I'm going in with the same seasonings on the back side, that sea salt, the Italian seasoning, and the Sylvia's chicken dry rub. And you're also gonna add in some olive oil. And you're gonna rub that seasoning in, front, back, sides, everywhere. You want every piece of this steak to taste nicely seasoned, okay? Let no corner go to waste. Everything is gonna be seasoned. And I know this is a little obsessive how I'm rubbing in those seasonings into the meat, but trust me, you need to rub in those seasonings, okay? Last but not least, you're gonna go in with a nice squeeze of lime. If you don't have lime, you can add vinegar. Now, this is a very large piece of steak, so you just wanna make sure you add a little bit of lime, but not too much, okay? You wanna give the meat a little bit of a kick, but you don't want it to taste like extremely citrusy either. So that was less than half of a lime. I would say like maybe 30% of a lime. Rub that lime into your meat. And I don't know about you, but I like my steak nice and well done. I am gonna put this under the oven. I think I put it in for 375 for 1 hour, and then 30 minutes in, you're gonna check your meat to see how it looks. So these are some plantains that I'm just boiling on my stove. And then this is about 30 minutes into cooking. What you're gonna do is take it out and you're gonna add those onions, okay? You can't forget those onions. What I like to do is actually add my onions to the bottom of the meat to allow it to soak up all those juices and stuff from the meat. So you're gonna see here, I'm rubbing it in that meat sauce or the whatever, and then I'm just gonna put all those onions underneath because I want it to absorb all those seasonings, and I also don't want the onions to burn. And I would say, 10 minutes before you're ready to take out your steak, just try to put them on top. So now let's make our simple salad. I took some greens. I'm also putting in some cucumber. And we're gonna go in and add a little bit of avocado to the top of our salad. This avocado didn't look too good, didn't look too bad, but let's get some of those healthy fats for our brain. And I like to just scoop mine out with a spoon. And that's how the salad looks. And our steak is ready. I like my meat very well done. So this steak has been cooking for about an hour. And there you have it. A nice, easy steak dinner that you can make during the weekday. Enjoy.
bagay, aïe, grâce à ma gueule. Aïe, bagay, aïe, c'est n'a rien la gueule. Aïe, bagay, aïe, nous laver l'air. Aïe, bagay, aïe, on nous aïe, bagay, aïe, chaque monde fait douceur. Aïe, bagay, aïe, Juanito besoin ménage, faut que lui fait douceur. Aïe, m'salie chassis sous traque ça. Ingénieur Gidolf.
Gidolf on the beat.
Fais douceur, belle, chaque monde fait douceur, belle. 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 Gracias, money, baby. Belle, pick up for the baby.